VL01N. I will go to VL01N. If I give today's date with our shipping point 0001, there is no schedule lines and delivery cannot be performed. Go back on give the 10th date, enter, 10th, enter. So now you will get a screen like this. Here you have something called picking tab. In this tab, you have to maintain the storage location. Sorry, storage location is 3000. Where is your stock available? Your stock is available in 3000 location. 3000 is the finished material. And picked quantity, how much quantity you are picking? One quantity you are picking. So after picking one quantity, if you click save button, only delivery document will be generated. Okay. If you click on post goods issue, delivery document and also material movement also will happen. Accounting will be generated. When accounting will be generated? Only after material movement from your warehouse. If your inventory is going out, then only accounting will be posted. If inventory is not moved, then it's not possible for us to generate the accounting entry. So I'll show you two cases. So first I'll do the delivery. I'll not do PGA. If I click on delivery button, only delivery document will be generated. I'll go to change. This is the delivery document. Okay. Next, I'll go